Alright you guys, well welcome to Monday's vloggity vlog. Well, today is Monday. It's supposed to be the weekend vlog, but the weekend was really busy. So this was last week's planner. This is this week's. I didn't really like fill it out completely, which is like fine, but this week we're gonna try to be productive. I went ahead and instead of using the scribble option, which you can see like how nice and like uniformed it looks, I decided for this week I'm just gonna write with my handwriting. So that's what I did. I think it looks pretty cool. It doesn't look as sloppy as I thought it would. For today I did want to add in that I want to pick up the pup's poop. There is the pooper. He's the one that poops all over our lawn, so I wanted to pick all that up, and hopefully I feel well enough. I have rheumatoid arthritis. I've mentioned that in the past, and tomorrow is my injection. So I take Simcia, which is 2 injections, and it's coming to the end of the month, and tomorrow is when I get my new injections. So with that being said, I've obviously like been a little slower because of like pain and like things, you know, just getting slower at the end of the month. But I wanted to try to at least pick up his poop. There's a lot of weeds in the lawn, and the lawn's been struggling. It looks really bad, so I really wanted to work on that and see if we can revive it for the summer. So I thought about picking up his poop so we can spray the weeds and maybe like mow the lawn sometime this week and like kind of get things straightened up. So that is my plan, but I need to write that in. And also need to write in that I'm vlogging today just to keep that on my schedule. I did make this little collage here with just like some pictures I found on Pinterest, and this is a cute little like I guess just word sticker from Ali Marie Digital. Just her stickers are so cute. It's a freebie, and this is what it looks like, and this is the one that I used, and I just stacked it on top of this cute little like I guess like color like red aura like aesthetic. I don't know. Like I just stacked it on top and it looks really cute. But yeah, that's what we got going on today, and this week it's going to be a little all over the place. I have to be out of town on Tuesday and work. I don't go until 11 on Wednesday, which is really nice. I may not take the entire like 4 hours or whatever that is, but at least I have that time to recover from being tired from the night before. But we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my little coffee and get to work because I am currently working. I won't show you my computer screen, but I'll show you my computer because I'm currently working. It's lunchtime and I'm gonna have some fruit. So yum. Y obvio tajín, because nos encanta un poquito de tajín. Ugh. Okay, maybe that's a lot, but that's okay. Yum. Hey you guys, now I'm upstairs. I finished up doing as much as I could outside, and it was so exhausting. I literally have blisters on my fingers. Thankfully I didn't like sweat or anything because it was pretty chilly outside, and currently I am watching Christopher. If it'll focus. How do I get this to focus? I'm watching Christopher on just on Facebook. I'm part of his Patreon because I love supporting my friends, and I'm watching him on Facebook Live just chatting away. He has these like kiki nights, and it's so much fun just hanging out and talking with everybody. But I figured what I could do while I'm listening to the Facebook Live is add all of my Coffee Monster Co. stickers that I got from this past release on my little sticker book album. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Literally just nothing much. These are like old sticker sheets. Like there's nothing new that I got. I just needed a replenish, honestly. And like, look at this cute little bean card. Obsessed. It's so cute. And then I also got this little envelope because it was stupid cheap, and I've honestly been wanting to print this, and I was like, it's 10 cents. I might as well get it. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I think this Kiki sesh is about to be over, and I'm just gonna add all the stickers on here. So let me grab my little spatula and I can get started on doing all this. But anyways, what have y'all been up to? What is the 411? What's up? I feel like I'm kind of like a little, I wouldn't say like all over the place, but just, I don't know. I think I'm like surprisingly doing good. And so I did come on here not too long ago about talking about like my mental health and like my struggles and stuff, and like although it's obviously like always a daily struggle, I have been doing surprisingly better. I was given a new medication by my psychiatrist, and I'm gonna close this out. I've been in here for a little bit and I can close it out, but I was prescribed a new medication, and it so far has been doing pretty good for me. And I get to try a new dose, I believe. I'm going to start this week. I have a little trip tomorrow, which I'll probably bring y'all with me because I think this vlog's going to be a little short. So I may have to, I don't know, I'll see what I can do. But tomorrow I have a little trip, and I didn't want to start taking my new dose last week and then it affects me because it makes me really sleepy when I started it, and I didn't want it to mess with my sleep habits, make me extra tired and not have to drive, and then also it makes me nauseous. So I didn't want to mess with all that and then have issues, so I figured let me just wait for this little trip to pass and then I can go ahead and start it when we come back. So that is the plan. So tomorrow's the trip. I'll probably start it on Wednesday. I feel like that would be a good time, and I usually take it at night because if I take it during the day, it'll make me nauseous during the daytime, and obviously like that's not really fun. So I don't want to get nauseous like while I'm working and stuff. So, you know, it just makes sense to take it at night. But anyways, I'm gonna add my little beans. I think, yay, I think I'm literally right at enough beans to get me a little free sticker sheet next time. Oh, how exciting. So Coffee Monster Co. does this thing where you can collect a little sticker sheet. So you have like bean cards. So she'll send you one of these every single time that you make an order, and they're so cute to collect, to keep around and just like keep them in your planners or whatever. But then on the back, it has all these little sections where you can add like the little beans is what she calls them. And then once you complete it, you place an order, you leave a note letting them know that you're redeeming a bean card. You snap a picture of your completed card and email it to them with your order number. And then what is it that you get? You get for a sampler. So you get, collect all of the beans at the top of each sticker sheet for a sampler in your next order. So you get a little sampler. So one of these, this one doesn't have any stickers because I just removed it, but it's one of these. So it's just really cute. It's a really cute idea. So I'm excited about that. But every single little sticker sheet comes with a bean, and I've had this for a while because I don't place a lot of orders. I've been trying to minimalize or not spend as much on stickers. Honestly, I've just been, I don't know, I wouldn't say getting past like stickering like in my planners, but I've definitely done less of it over the past few months. I'm just kind of, I don't know how to explain it. It's just something that I've been doing, but finally I completed it and I'm so excited. So yay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add all of these cute little stickers to my sticker book album. Oh, this is like the stuff that makes me happy. Anyways, what was I saying? But I feel like this medication is actually working. I don't know if it's like, maybe am I talking too soon and like saying that it's gonna work and maybe like it's not it. I don't know, but there was even a time there where my depression got really bad that my psychiatrist recommended a form of therapy to me that honestly like frightened the crap out of me. Like I was like, no, like that's it. Like this means like, I don't know, I guess like the worst came to mind of like, shoot, I'm like, this is not gonna get any better. Am I gonna end up like those people in the movies that are gonna end, I don't know. Like I'm not trying to like stigmatize mental health because obviously I struggle with it also, but I guess like my mind just went to think of the worst. And I just thought and I assumed the basic stuff, I wouldn't say basic stuff, but like the worst stuff that you see like in the movies. And obviously that's not the case. Like after everything, I researched it some more and it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but I still got a little scared. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and continue working on this. I don't want to like talk y'all's ear off. I think after this, I'm probably going to take a bath. I don't know. We'll see what happens. And then I wanted to like soak in the bathtub and then take a shower, obviously, and then probably continue the vlog tomorrow morning and maybe stop it around like maybe after my infusion because I have an infusion tomorrow, because I have a little trip that I have to go on, and then maybe start a new vlog. That's kind of like my game plan, but I don't know how that'll go. Oh, I skipped a page. I didn't mean to. Oh well, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this here and I will talk to y'all later. At Starbucks because I'm off today and it's Valentine's Day. Yes. Fantastic. Such a pretty day. It's like what, 80? It's 80 outside? I thought it was 80. I mean, it feels nice because it's like windy. Was it a far walk?
Is this just straight?
Oh, okay.
It's right down that corner.
That is cute. Oh, I thought you were drinking your drink. We eat everything and forget to record it.
Why?